In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go up here and you want to click on the Comment tab. And inside the Comment tab, over here where it says Drawing, is where you can basically use the drawing tools. Now, of course, you do have the pencil, so if I click on it over here, I can just go ahead and, of course, draw whatever I want over here inside my PDF. And if I right-click on that, you can see there's a bunch of different options you can do. So you could use purple, like blue, green, yellow, black, green marker, yellow marker. There's a bunch of different things you could do and actually draw over your PDF. But you also have some different drawing tools over here. You have like lines over here, as you can see. You also have circles and these ellipses, and then you kind of have these cloud tools where you can basically create clouds if you want to. So you can basically form them like this, which is pretty cool. You also have different arrows if you want to point at something. Then you have this polygon tool, which basically can create, of course, whatever shapes you wish to create. Then you have rectangle tools, which creates rectangles, and then you also have these polygon tools where basically you can create polygons just like that. Okay, so that's actually how you draw inside the PDF XChange Editor. And if you ever want to erase, of course, here is the eraser, and you can just go and of course erase different things you have drawn. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.